In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance sheet using Google Forms. Creating an attendance sheet is an essential task for a variety of settings, whether it's for a classroom, a meeting, or an event. Google Forms provides a simple, flexible way to accomplish this, and you don't need to be an expert to get started. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Forms. If you haven't used Google Forms before, you can find it as part of the suite of Google Drive applications. Simply go to Google Drive, click on New, and then select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. This will open a blank form for you to start building your attendance sheet. Once you're in, the first thing you should do is give your form a meaningful title. Since this will be used for tracking who's present, something like event attendance or class roll would be appropriate. Next, add a description if you need to provide context or specific instructions for the attendees, for example, asking them to fill it out promptly at the beginning of each session. Now, let's move on to adding fields. Start with the most basic one, the name field. Click Untitled Question, enter full name, and make sure you select the short answer option to keep responses neat and concise. Check the Required box to ensure no one can submit the form without entering their name. After this, you can think about what other information you might want to collect. It's often critical to have an email address field if you need a way to contact attendees or send follow-ups. Add another question, label it email address, and choose short answer. Once again, mark it as required. If your event or class involves multiple sessions or dates, consider adding a drop-down or multiple choice item to let attendees select the specific session or date they're attending. This can help you manage different time slots or repeating events within the same form. Remember, it's crucial to review your form before sharing it. Click on the eye icon at the top right to preview how it will look to your respondents. Ensure all the required fields are correctly marked and double-check for any typos. Finally, when you're satisfied with your setup, click the Send button to get the sharing options. You can send it directly via email, share the link, or even generate a QR code for easy access. There you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create an organized attendance sheet using Google Forms, cater to your specific needs, and offer a seamless experience for your participants. Happy organizing!